come to oral communication now. Ask the students to role play the dialogue. It's at page 18 and SLO is number 2. Anwar, Assalamu alaikum, Amir. Why were you absent today? Amir, Wa alaikum assalam. I was not well. Could you please tell me what you learnt? Anwar, the teacher told us about our Rasool, Khatamun Nabiyyin sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Amir, what did she tell? Anwar, she told that the last Rasool of Allah, Hazrat Muhammad Rasulullah Khatamun Nabiyyin sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, was an orphan, but he loved his daughter and her children the most. Amir, and he loved all his ummah, and he always prayed for his ummah. Anwar, yes, and he was the most courageous, fearless, and truthful. Amir, we should follow his path.